if you saw my Asda shopping haul that I did recently, I will put it in the cards up above. I picked up some hearts, kidneys and liver for the dogs because it's been a long time since they've had any of this food. Now, our dogs don't like absolutely raw food. They do like offal and any other meat that has been cooked. So I thought I'd try this again and see how they get on. So I've literally got 2 kidneys in here, 2 hearts and a whole pack of liver. I'm just going to poach it all. Then when it's all cooked, Chris will chop it all up into sort of like equal measures so that they've got a mix of the heart, the liver and the kidneys together. I'll show you what it's like when it comes out and when we start to chop it up. Right, I don't know if you can see it through the steam, but this is all cooked up now. We put some vegetables in so that they get a little bit of veg with it as well. So Chris is just going to chop this all up now. We've made 6 containers. Chris is just straining off the juice and so we can put the vegetables in. So this is the 6 tubs that have all been cooked up. So you've got your liver, your heart and kidney. That's it. Along with some mixed vegetables, and the sauce that it made cooking it has also been put into these just so that it's got a little bit of gravy for them. And this is how we make our home cooked offal dinners for the dogs. So we're just going to pop all of this into the freezer, and then we can just pull them out as and when we need them.